In today's fast-paced world where stress and convenience often precede our well-being, prioritizing health and wellness has never been more crucial. With busy schedules and endless responsibilities, many of us neglect our physical and mental health. However, making simple dietary and lifestyle changes can significantly enhance our overall quality of life. In this video, we will explore how small adjustments can lead to substantial improvements in your health. You'll learn key steps to enhance your well-being, starting with the importance of balanced nutrition. We'll discuss how incorporating whole foods and reducing these types of processed items and staying hydrated can transform your energy levels and mood. Next, we'll delve into the significance of regular physical activity, even if it's just a brisk walk or a few minutes of stretching each day. But it doesn't stop there. We'll also touch on the importance of often overlooked mental health practices, such as mindfulness and adequate sleep. By the end of this video, you'll understand the steps to take and the incredible benefits of these changes, like increased energy, improved mood, and a greater sense of overall well-being. So, let's dive in and start this journey towards a healthier you. First up, eliminating seed oils from your diet can be a significant step towards improving your overall health. These oils, safflower, sunflower, cottonseed, vegetable oils are often found in processed foods and are high in omega-6 fatty acids. While our bodies need some omega-6s, excess can lead to inflammation and a host of health issues including heart disease and obesity. The problem arises when these oils are used in cooking and food production, as they can disrupt the balance of omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids in our diets, promoting chronic inflammation. So, what can you use instead? Healthier alternatives like olive and coconut oil provide better nutritional profiles and offer unique flavors to enhance your meals. Olive oil, rich in monounsaturated fats, is known for its heart-healthy benefits, while coconut oil contains medium-chain triglycerides that can support metabolism. As you make this transition, it's essential to read labels carefully. Many processed foods contain hidden seed oils, so opting for whole foods is smart. Focus on fresh fruits, vegetables, healthy proteins, and complex carbohydrates like sweet potatoes. By being mindful of your choices and eliminating seed oils, you can take a proactive step towards reducing inflammation and improving your overall health. Your body will thank you for it. Clean drinking water is essential for maintaining overall health, yet many people need to pay more attention to the water quality they consume daily. Tap water can contain various contaminants including fluoride, heavy metals, chlorine, pesticides, and bacteria, posing serious health risks. Long-term exposure to these pollutants can lead to issues such as gastrointestinal problems, neurological disorders, and even increased cancer risk. Understanding what's in your water is the first step towards safeguarding your health. Please consider investing in a reliable filtration system to ensure that you're drinking safe water. Options like reverse osmosis filters are highly effective at removing a wide range of contaminants, providing pure, clean water. These are by far the most effective filtration methods for your water. There are countertop and under-sink models. Activated carbon filters are another great choice, as they can reduce chlorine and improve taste while filtering out some harmful substances. Additionally, it is crucial to test your water quality regularly. Home testing kits are widely available and can help identify potential issues. You can proactively protect yourself and your family by staying informed about your water's safety. Remember, the quality of the water you drink directly impacts your health, so make it a priority to filter your drinking water and ensure it's as clean and safe as possible. Let's face it, your body deserves the best. Shifting to the next topic, fast food may be convenient, but significant health risks can impact your well-being. Many fast food items are loaded with unhealthy fats, sugars, and preservatives, which can lead to weight gain, heart disease, and other chronic health issues. These foods are often high in calories, but low in essential nutrients, leaving you unsatisfied and prompting you to eat more. The excessive sodium in fast foods can also contribute to high blood pressure and other cardiovascular problems. To combat these risks, consider meal prepping as a practical solution. By planning and preparing your meals in advance, you can ensure that healthy options are readily available, making it easier to resist the temptation of fast food. If you dine out, look for healthier restaurant options with fresh ingredients and balanced meals. Unfortunately, many restaurants use seed oils, so be sure to ask and ensure that you're not accidentally ordering food made with them. That includes vegetable, safflower, corn, or cottonseed oils. Prioritizing home-cooked meals is one of the best ways to improve your nutrition. Cooking at home allows you to control the ingredients and portion sizes, ensuring that you're fueling your body with wholesome foods. By consciously avoiding fast foods and embracing healthier alternatives, you can significantly enhance your overall health and well-being. Remember, your body deserves nourishing meals that support a vibrant and energetic lifestyle. Moving on to the next topic, excessive sugar intake can seriously affect your health, making it crucial to be mindful of what you consume. High sugar consumption is linked to weight gain, as sugary snacks and beverages are often calorie-dense but lack essential nutrients. This can lead to increased body fat and a higher risk of obesity. Moreover, a diet high in sugar can contribute to the development of type 2 diabetes, heart disease, and other chronic health issues. The more sugar you consume, the more your body craves it, creating a cycle that can be hard to break. To combat these effects, consider healthier snack alternatives. For example, fresh fruits provide natural sweetness, vitamins, minerals, and fiber. Nuts are another excellent option, offering healthy fats and protein that can keep you satisfied. Unsweetened yogurt can be a nutritious choice packed with probiotics and calcium. Additionally, practicing mindful eating is essential. In other words, not only be mindful of what you're eating, but enjoy the fact that you're eating in a much more healthy way. Take the time to read nutritional labels and be aware of the sugar content in your chosen foods. Making informed decisions and opting for healthier snacks can significantly reduce your sugar intake and improve your overall health. Remember, small changes can lead to big results, so start cutting back on sugary snacks today for a healthier tomorrow. Our next topic is about alcohol. Moderating alcohol intake is essential for better health, as excessive consumption can lead to a range of severe health risks. Regularly drinking too much alcohol can increase the likelihood of developing liver disease, heart problems, and certain types of cancer. It can also negatively impact mental health, contributing to anxiety and depression. Furthermore, heavy drinking can impair judgment and lead to risky behaviors, affecting not only your health, but also your relationships and overall quality of life. To promote healthier habits, consider setting limits on your alcohol consumption. It is helpful to designate alcohol-free days each week, allowing your body time to recover and reducing your overall intake. This practice can also help you become more mindful of your drinking habits and encourage healthier choices. There are many delicious alternatives available, from sparkling waters to herbal teas to creative mocktails that can satisfy your cravings without the negative consequences of alcohol. By making a conscious effort to reduce alcohol consumption, you can significantly improve your health and well-being. In this video, we've explored several key steps you can take to improve your health and well-being. From eliminating seed oils and filtering your drinking water, to cutting back on sugary snacks and moderating alcohol consumption, each change is vital in enhancing your overall quality of life. Remember, the journey to better health does not have to happen overnight. Making gradual changes is essential for achieving lasting results. Start with 1 or 2 adjustments and build from there, allowing your body and mind to adapt to your new habits. We hope that you find this information valuable and inspiring. Your health is a lifelong journey, and every small step counts. If you enjoyed this video and want to continue learning about health and wellness, we encourage you to subscribe to our channel. You'll stay updated on our latest tips and strategies for living a healthier life by subscribing. Please don't forget to like this video and share it with your friends and family who might benefit from these insights. Together, we can create a community focused on health and well-being. Thank you so much for joining us today, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video as we explore ways to enhance our lives through better choices.